Hey guys, nice to see us again. Eddie here from Always Be Fun. There's someone asked me how I setting my God of War for my OGA. So today I will share with yours how I set it. I found a forum on internet and I used the cheat code he shared, and after few testing I think maybe this is the best setting I get. So let's get started. First, we need to find the folder named cheat from PSP emulator folder. You won't see that folder unless you enable the cheat from the emulator. First, we need to launch the God of War game and press with F6 button. So far for me, Retro Anela 2.5 and another firmware I used last time is same with F6 button. Go to game setting and select system and look for enable cheat. Take it. Now you can remove your SD card from OGA and go back to your PC. Now go to the cheat folder from PPSSPP. Is inside home, audio, conflict, PPSSPP, cheat. You will see a notepad with .ini is your God of War cheat. Now go to the forum. I will put the link on description and find the same cheat code with your God of War games. My GOW is UCU S98653.ini. So I will copy all the UCU S98653.ini and paste to the empty notepad and save. There was a lot of different regional cheat code for God of War. You can find at here. Now put back our SD card to OGA, press F6, select cheat, then take both 60 FPS and 30 FPS. Now go back to game setting and you can just follow all of my steps to change the setting. You can try yourself and find the best setting for yourself. This is the one so far I tried so many times and find it suit me. Once you've done all, now the most important step is to exit all and restart the game. Okay, you are ready to enjoy? Not high FPS, but at least it won't feel so lagging and able to enjoy the God of War games. That's it for this video. Really appreciate watching my video. Please do let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.